So we are talking about the success principles series. What is today's topic? Today we are going to talk about challenges. Yeah, everybody goes through challenges. Nobody likes to go through the challenges. So I just wanted to give you the different perspective about challenges. Whatever I learned through my life, challenges can either make you or break you. So it is your choice how you want to use those challenges. Small challenges are really good for your life because they actually prevent you from big catastrophe. It's proven that many doctors actually mentioned that if you fall sick in between little bit, it can prevent you from getting cancer. I don't know all the details about that, but I attended a health conference and there they mentioned that. But I can give you another example. For example, if you're driving really fast and if the cop stops you and gives you a ticket, you might be mad because cop stopped you and gave you a ticket. But it can help you a big catastrophe because if you had driven like that, you might have gotten into an accident and it would have been actually more means harmful for you. So ticket is better than big accident, right? So small challenges are good in your life. And also many times people say, why me, why me, why I'm going through all the challenges. So I read one story that everyone got together and they said, okay, why don't you write a challenge which you really don't want in your life, put it in a box, and so that you are giving away your challenge to somebody. But when you are leaving that room, you have to pick up somebody else's challenge, because it is an exchange means. So most of the people, when they picked up somebody else's challenge, they wanted their own challenge back because you have that challenge because you have ability to face that challenge. Otherwise, it won't come into your life. So if you are being told to exchange the challenge, you won't do that. And peaks and valley, actually, those show the significance of your life because only the day people, they have a straight line. Their heart line is always straight. They don't have any challenges. Again, another story. One guy was complaining that I have so many challenges. He went to his mentor. He said, just so many challenges. I really don't want to means basically face why I'm having so many challenges. So the mentor said, okay, I will take you to a place where nobody has any challenge. And so next day he took him to a cemetery and everybody was 6 feet under. They were lying there peacefully. Nobody had challenges. So as far as you are alive, you will go through challenges. And that's the guaranteed thing. Hey, means you will pay taxes, you will die. And when you are alive, you are going through challenges. That is for sure. Many times we try to make other people's challenges easier, and that might hurt them because whenever someone is going through challenges, they are becoming stronger. It is proven that when butterfly is in caterpillar state, was trying to get out of cocoon, if someone tries to help by breaking that cocoon and get the caterpillar out without going through the challenges, the butterfly won't survive. Butterfly won't be that beautiful as you have always seen. So when someone goes through the challenges, means if you try to make their challenges easier, it might hurt them. Yeah, you can help them, but still it is their challenge. They have to go through their own challenges. What are your challenges? Now, for example, the airplane, it flies. The main challenge airplane has its air resistance. That's the main challenge. Now you take away the air resistance. Will the plane able to fly? No. So the challenge is actually keep you afloat in your life. Challenges can be used as a stepping stone. Don't use challenges to means basically put yourself down or destroy yourself. Use challenges as a stepping stone. If you retrospect in your life, you will see that every challenge you have gone through has been useful to you. Because now I'm so thankful for all the challenges which I have gone through my life because that gave me wisdom. But of course, when I was going through those challenges, I didn't want to go through those challenges. And I had everything. Means I had pity party, I had victim mentality, I had everything. But that didn't help. The moment you face the challenge, you basically grow. And courage is not actually means basically absence of fear. It is overcoming fear. So when you are going through the challenge, use the courage, have faith. Real growth happens only when you go through the challenges. I remember many times, actually, many things when I was going through, I didn't like those things when they were happening. But at the end, it always turned out to be really good, beneficial to me. I remember I was at one gym. It was very, very expensive gym, and then some policy change and something or other was happening. I had to leave that gym. But then I joined a better gym which had better facility and at a way cheaper price. So there is always silver line, there is always a better thing coming out of the challenges. I remember I was part of a networking group and then there was a one bad apple. So I just didn't want to complain about that bad apple. So I just left that group and I joined another group. And another group, it's so beneficial to me. So sometimes when you go through the challenges, it's really means so empowering. Means you tackle that challenge really peacefully, calm, with your calmness. You will see the advantage for sure. Real growth happens only when you go through the challenges. That is for your soul. But if you challenges to grow your ego, it's not going to help you in any possible way, because ego will tell why me, why ego will bring all the victim mentality and all, and the soul will bring the victor mentality. So you challenges for growth of your soul, not for your ego. Real character is exposed when you are going through the challenges. And challenges also, actually, everybody has a different attitude. So your attitude, your frame of mind will determine the size of challenge, because one person might look at that challenge and say, oh, it is so big. And other person's, what is that? This is nothing. So it is totally your frame of mind. There are very few guarantees in your life, but one guarantee which I always saw in my life, that challenges will be part of my life and they are never going to go away as far as I'm alive. Actually, as I grow, my challenges will grow, and that will give me more strength to face the challenges, and that will make me better. So don't go through the challenges you alone. Take somebody's help, but it is your own challenge. You have to face it. And when we started business, we went through lots of challenges and we needed lots of information and resources. We had to spend a lot of time looking for those, and that's why I'm compiling all the free information possible for someone to start a new business in their life, someone to have a fresh start, or someone just wants to do something as a side hustle, part-time, without disturbing their current activities. So we are providing free information for that. We are providing lots of value-added resources for that. So just we want you to become victorious in your life. We will provide you all the resources. You can use them to your advantage for your growth and make it big in this life. Thank you.